Chocolate punch, the ultimate dessert drink. Maybe it should have been called a flip. Just a thought. The very first flips came about as early as the late 1600s. Way back then, it consisted of a tankard of ale to which a mixture of sugar, eggs, and spices was added. Next, the whole drink was heated with a red-hot iron poker from the fire. Later, however, flips, well, they flip-flopped. They now have come to mean any fortified wine or liquor shaken with a whole egg and sweetened with sugar. They're typically garnished with a dusting of nutmeg and served in a sour glass or small coupe. They can be served hot or cold. Okay, let's get all flipped out here and make a chocolate punch. I don't know why I did that. I first came across the chocolate punch from William Schmidt's book, The Flowing Bowl, from 1891. And here's his recipe. I also found the chocolate punch in Dale DeGroff's recipe book, The Craft of the Cocktail. Funny thing though, he doesn't use an egg. Here's his recipe. Flip! Oh, that could have been dangerous. First thing we're going to do is crack an egg. All right, the whole egg. Yum. Yeah, baby. And to this egg, we are going to add some cognac. Got the Hennessy right here, 1 ounce. Just a splash of crème de cacao dark, maybe a 1/4 ounce. And Sandy Man. I remember years ago we used to finish work, busy night, and we'd all sit around the fireplace at work. This is years ago. And we'd all light up these big fat cigars and sit down with a glass of Sandy Man. That takes me back, you know, it really does. Yeah, it does. And 1/2 ounce of Sandy Man. All right. To this, we're going to add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Nice and thick simple syrup. Love it. And 1 ounce of cream, heavy cream. We're going to dry shake it first, just to emulsify that egg. Give her a good shake. That's about all you need. Add some ice. And shake it again. Chocolatey. I don't know how to. What is chocolatey? That's a tough one. Shake it. Give it a good shake. Get her all nice and frothy. Looking good. Perfect. And what we want to do here, I've got this wonderful chilling glass, this cocktail glass with chilled ice water. And all we want to do is double strain it out, just to get rid of all those little ice shards. Oh, look at this. Look how creamy, wonderful this looks. Neat. Liking it. And top it off with a little dusting of nutmeg, fresh grated. That looks delightful. Let's give it a go. Oh, You know, I thought it would be a lot sweeter than it is. I mean, we're using Sandy Man, which is a sweet, sweet fortified wine and port. Mind you, I like the Sandy Man because of the plum and the ripe berries in it. And we use simple syrup as well. Just enough dark cacao here gives it just a little hint of chocolate. Any more and I think it would be overpowering. There's a real warmth coming from the cognac. Holy shit, look how much I've drank. Make a chocolate punch. Invite your guests over and make a whole bowl of these things. Cheers. Shake it like a Christmas punch. It's not a Christmas punch. Sorry. Chocolatey. Shake it. What do I need to slap the lid on? Again. And shake it again. And shake it. Oh yeah. And shake. What's that? What is that? And I got my chocolate punch here, and it's almost finished because it's actually very delicious. And I'm not a big cream cocktail guy. This is delightful. So what you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, check some other videos out, and make a chocolate punch. Get all punched up. Do a flip-flop. Hey! I don't know. Just make one. They're delightful.